Welcome back to Ken's Quizzes. Human body amazing quiz. 60 questions.
How many layers of skin do humans have? Three. What is the name of the tube that connects the throat to the stomach? Esophagus. What percentage of human body is water? – 60%. How many bones are in the adult human being? – 206. What is the primary purpose of red blood cells? Transporting oxygen to tissues and organs. What is the purpose of the small intestine? Absorbing nutrients from food. What is the weight of a human eye? – 7.5 gram. How many bones does a child have at birth? – 300. What are the bones around chest called? Rib cage. What is the name of the biggest part of the human brain? Cerebrum. Which is the largest organ of the human body? Skin. What is the weight of the human brain? – 1.3 kg to 1.4 kg. What percentage of body weight is blood? – 7%. Where in the body are new blood cells made? Bone marrow. What acid does stomach produce? Hydrochloric acid. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes. What brain part helps you stay balanced, like when riding a bike? Cerebellum. What is the scientific term for the kneecap? Patella. How many chambers are there in the human heart? Four. What is the pigment responsible for the color of human skin? Melanin. What is the purpose of the rib cage? Protects the organs in the chest cavity, such as heart and lungs. What is the average body temperature in degrees Celsius? – 37 degrees. Which hormone regulates blood sugar level? Insulin. Which part of the eye, like blue, brown, or green color, determine its distinctive color? Iris. Which vitamin is produced by exposure to sunlight? Vitamin D. Which part of the human body produces insulin? Pancreas. Which organ can regenerate itself? Liver. How many taste buds does the average human tongue have? 10,000. Which is the only bone in the human body not connected to another bone? Hyoid bone. Which part of the body produces tears? Lacrimal glands. What is the smallest unit of life in the human body? Cell. Which is the fastest moving muscle in the human body? Eye. What is the main function of the spleen? Stores and filters blood. How many ribs are there on each side of the human body? 12. What are the tiniest blood pipes in human body called? Capillaries. What is the purpose of the digestive system? Breaks down food so your body can use it. Which organ produces bile to aid in digestion? Liver. Which part of the human body contains the smallest bones? Ears. What is the purpose of white blood cells? Help fight germs and infection. What is the scientific term for the thigh bone? Femur. What is the purpose of the skeletal system? Provides structure and support for the body. What is the scientific term for the hip bone? Pelvis. What is the purpose of the nervous system? Sending signals and controlling the body. What is the name of the fluid that carries oxygen in the blood? Hemoglobin. What is the scientific term for the shin bone? Tibia. What is the name of the protein that makes up hair and nails?
Keratin.
Which organ stores excess glucose as glycogen? Liver. What is the name of the tiny sacs in the lungs where gas exchange occurs? Alveoli. What is the name of the tiny hairs in the respiratory tract that help filter out dust and particles? Cilia. Which of these is not a part of a human cell? Chloroplast. What is the powerhouse of a cell? Mitochondria. Which of the following blood types is considered the universal donor? Negative. What are proteins made of? Amino acids. What is the main function of immune system? Defend against pathogens. Which part of the human body is sometimes called the master gland? Pituitary gland. What is the name of the muscle that pumps blood throughout the body? Heart. Which part of the human body is protected by the skull? Brain. What is the primary function of the uvula? Prevents food from entering the nasal cavity. Which part of the eye controls the size of the pupil? Iris. Which type of blood vessel carries oxygenated blood away from the heart? Artery.
How many did you get? Comment down below. Subscribe for more educational videos like this.